Hey, hello, how you doing? I got a surprise here. It only came yesterday. You ready? Yes! We have Beast 2! That's fabulous! Doesn't it look fantastic? Oh my goodness, what do you reckon? Love the swirl. Do you think I made the right decision? Me, myself, and the Hairman. That's what I'm going to call this, the 3. I don't know what to call it. Right. Let me explain why you're seeing so many pop-ups. Right, that's going to have to stay like that. Well, that would do. Right, let's come in. Hey guys, how you doing? Right, how you doing, guys? Anyway, right. So let's explain. I'm loving this. Me, myself, and the Hairman. That's my new one for that. Right. Okay. So, am I sitting tall enough? Right, let me explain all the pop-ups you're seeing. What happened with that was, I went on Dragon's Den. And I'm going to be brave enough to say this, because I was going to do a spoof on this, right? I went on Dragon's Den, pitched fantastically using, I took the beast up, because I pitched, I went and presented in front of, I guess, the casting guys and so forth, and I did, first of all I did, what did I do first? I did, yeah, throwing myself by my hair. That's one of the questions. That was a bit odd. And then I got a very fast hairdryer and blew my hair like this. And then I stuck my head in a bowl of water. I came back and brushed it right in front of everybody. Then I walked back to 6 of these. Was it 6? 7 of these. That's right, 7. And I turned around my before. Then I went into my pitch about why the Dragons should invest in a franchise operation for the whole of the UK. They loved it, right? And then I turned the rest of the pictures round, and I took up Lewis, took up Kelly. Who else did I take up? Can't remember. Purveyors, I think. Yeah. So it looked fantastic. So they loved it, right? So they said, yeah, great, got all your figures right. So because I'm obviously, if you didn't know, I'm very interested, instead of doing affiliation, doing franchises, which I've done a vlog on, right? So anyway, cut to the chase. The researcher was so excited. I'm going to my producer, and he rang me up, and I went, hey, how you doing? I won't say his name. And he went, all right, Phil. I went, what's up with you? He said, oh yeah, they loved it, but there's hair replacement and grooming for men on Dragon's Den. It's not kind of like something they're looking to do at the moment. It's all this Bitcom, isn't it? Now, guys, there's 3 guys on there. One of them's had transplants, one of them's bald, and one of them hasn't got a very, very good hair system on. And there's 2 ladies. 2 ladies? Yeah, 2 ladies. So there's 3 guys that have got hair replacement, got issues with hair, right? And they said it's not what we're looking for. Male grooming is not a subject. Anyway, so I hope I don't sound bitter, because I'm not, right? But look, without getting in too much trouble, I said to him, he said, oh, maybe next series. And I said to him, if there was one particular dragon that wasn't on there next series, do you think I'd get on? He went, maybe. So, I think we worked out the self. I would only help the guy to get a better hair system. Yeah, that's on Dragon's Den at the moment. That's all I would have done. You know, that was it. But anyway, moving forward, right. So, I had no idea I was going to speak about that until I picked that up. Right. Does hair systems shed? Yes, of course they do. Rapidly, I hope not. If they do with a hair for all system and you're doing all the safety, the brushing it carefully, put the leave-in conditioner before you brush it so it takes the friction off the hair. Wash your hair with it being brushed forward, not like this. Sleep with a satin or silk pillowcase. All those things using products are not going to loosen the knots. Crikey, that's a can of worms, that is. Oil-based products. If you're not doing all those things and there's fast shedding, then there's probably an error with the knotters. They haven't done the strength of the knots as well. We've got a 12-point check at the factory I'm with, and you shouldn't really get past this, but it does happen. You know, it's a fallible product at the end of the day, and it's man-made. It's no machine made for the hair for all systems. Yeah. So look. So going back to, if there's fast shedding, then under the warranties we're getting back. But all hair systems shed. It's just being able to manage them. You know, it's just so obvious that you just don't brush it hard. You just don't do that with the towel. You don't pull your hair too much in situations. You just be sensible. If it's all logical, just be sensible with the hair system. You see me brushing my hair. Oh, do you like the swoosh? Brushing my hair. Oh, and I've had a skin fade. I call it short back and sides. Show me age. Let's have a look. Skin fade. Right, so going back to shedding. So typical things. Don't brush too hard with the towel. Be careful with the brush. And then that should help with any excess shedding. Okay, guys? Right. Thanks from the two beasts behind. Me, myself, and the hairman are saying goodbye. I like that one. See you later, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe below. And have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.